to actually like use the agent not even focused in here. Hey, another sub agent should include functionality in which we should be able to actually prompt the agents. I'm gonna actually give that to this one because this one's got some context. You have to send a sub agent to no, I'll finish it here because this is doing all the work on that. I guess it don't matter too much then. Tree City just finished another stream. Tree City is on his grind, y'all. Make sure you go check him out. I did check out a couple of yours there, Tree City, but not at the same time, or not when you were live, my man. But keep it up. I know, because I always get wrapped up in all this, and guys, it's just a busy world that we live in, isn't it? When I am in an array like this, I should be able to prompt the sub agents literally from inside here. So when you're working on simplifying these agent cards as much as possible, you have to ensure that they're actually functional, like in array mode. You have to make sure that they're functional when I'm just like roaming the world of CoLateral. There we go. There we go. There we go. Oh, guys, I love Orca. Look at the bottom here. It literally tells you my Claude usage, and it tells you my ChatGPT usage. Like, that is insane, guys. Okay, so this one just finished up. Phase 2 of CoLateral AI. Yeah, so one thing I thought of, too, is, like, instead of calling it collateral.engineering, should it just not be collateral.ai? Like, at the end of the day, like, a big part of the pivot is that we're selling an AI product, first and foremost. Yeah, proceed with that phase 2 of going into collateral.ai. Also, have a sub agent take a look at all the tools that we had there. Originally, that was supposed to be for all the structural engineering tools. But now, like, I'd rather have that be like demos of showing what CoLateral can actually do. So make that a space. Make sure that it's complete, because like this website is actually getting launched. So like have placeholders for where I'm gonna like make a video of us doing like a demo video of like utilizing the different tools, and actually, yeah, show off the different tools, like the features and functionality inside of CoLateral, the same way you're doing with the structural and engineering tools, baby. There we go. There we go. We are cooking. Hey, zoom out of all of these arrays. I don't want to be in array mode anymore. Guys, I thought I fixed this. Come on. Kyle Miller says, hey, Nick, I've been vibe coding hard for the last 6 months. I've been watching your videos. Have you ever tried open code? I have not. Well, one time ever. One time. But I'm such a Claude stan that I'm stuck in my ways. But obviously the tides on Twitter are turning, y'all. They are absolutely turning. Guys, I forgot. Where's my water? I gotta stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Hey, if anyone's new there, make sure you subscribe. Okay? I'm keeping track of that still. I'm keeping track to see if you guys subscribe or not. All right. Back to it, y'all. You guys like what you see? Array mode is off. It's not off. I'm still in it. I'm actually still in it. This is a shame. Well, I'll do a quick. All right, we split this. Am I still in? Yeah, I must be. Yeah, and like working a slideshow, that's not practical at all. We'll figure it out. DJ Rube 7, what is going on, my man? How are we? Woo! Getting fired up, baby. You're right, I misread that poorly. Yeah, guys, we have Have I even prompted that yet? Okay, big thing is I still can't even zoom out of the arrays. Remember, one goal is that I wanted everything like organized in arrays, but a big problem is that I can't even actually zoom out to see all the arrays on the big canvas. Remember that CoLateral, like it's supposed to be an infinite canvas workspace, so I need to be able to like orbit it like it's a world. So, or I shouldn't say orbit. I should be careful what I say there. But please make sure that we can zoom out. Simple as that. I haven't even saw my message. What's going on, Mattress Mac? But I highly recommend you do some testing on enterprise IT networks before pushing this to firms. Got work like a puppet this week over Claude making DNS agents go insane. Yeah, that is one thing that I got to think about a little bit more, because it's very surprising just talking to a lot of people. Like, and Sarge, I'm very curious what you have to say about this. A lot of people, like, they're like, oh yeah, we only work on Copilot. And I'm like, well, that sucks a lot. That's horrible. But it's like, is Copilot any more secure? Or is it just because the fact that like they already commit their whole lives to like the Microsoft universe, that it's like, well, if we do AI inside of it, it's not going anywhere else? Is that the idea of it? Or is it just like, is it trust issues with Claude and ChatGPT in general? Contain different Claude tests within software that actually allows firms to use Claude Code. On enterprise IT networks. Oh, see, I'm getting a lot of these things here. Open Code and T3 Code are both front ends. The terminal interfaces. I like T3 because the mobile app. Nice. Oh, y'all are pumping out comments here. Nice friendly UI. Yeah, I'll have to take a look more at Open Code. But yeah, you're right. Because Mattress Mac, I know you're working in something more like architectural, I think. And that is something like even my work too. It's like they don't even have a real AI policy, but like the idea is just like, it's kind of like, ooh, watch out. Whatever people want to use works, yeah, but Copilot is trash. It's just like, it's awful. It is awful. Yeah. Are any of y'all stuck using Copilot at your work? Let me know. Yes, it's tied to your Microsoft everything. They call it Work IQ. I mean, dip in DR if you're using AI like business, nothing keeps on external servers. Yeah. Copilot is brutal. But like, here's the thing, like, there's a lot, like, could there be some functionality for CoLateral to work with Copilot, or am I coping? Like, am I just being silly here? Because like, I'm not even joking. Like, there's a huge amount of people that are like, oh yeah, we wouldn't work with Claude and GPT agents, but we use you know what, Gemini, surprisingly enough, like there's a lot of firms that's like, yeah, they have all their emails running through like Google, right? And they have like big Google workspaces, so they'd be happy with Gemini. So should I have Gemini working in here too? Like, I know that's kind of a joke too, but yeah, I'll use local AI. There. That's something I'm actually going to ask ahead here. It's like, oh, stupid shortcut. But it's obviously like, all right, let's get research into this. My man, one thing that I considered is a lot of professional firms are stuck using Copilot when it comes to their AI policy and what they're allowed to use. Now, I am considering, as CoLateral is meant to be an agentic development environment for working professionals, I want to have some availability for something like Copilot to work. And I'm like, I don't understand anything about how Copilot works. like what agentic capabilities are even available there. But essentially I want to incorporate this into CoLateral. And I also want it to be like still like more convenient than them just like using Copilot in their typical workflow, because I want it to be like all in one with CoLateral. So I need you to, in the same way, similar way, how you incorporated Claude and ChatGPT agents, I'm looking to have now, we could have Copilot as one of the options as well. Please implement everything you can possibly do to have people's Copilot information set up here, baby. There we go. My firm's DNS agents literally put my machine in a padded room. What are they doing to you? What are they doing? Yeah, just have to connect to Copilot. Providing your own AI would be... Oh yeah, no, I'm never providing my own AI. I want to connect it to all of these things. Use multiple AI providers to get multiple viewpoints. Absolutely, Kyle. Dustin says she can use Copilot as the harness, but Claude Opus as the model. Yeah, that's true. So it's that my one friend was talking about that when we were like out golfing. He's like, he works in the world of AI, and he essentially said like, yeah, it's Copilot, but I'm using the Claude model. And I'm like, if you're worried about using Claude, like, isn't that if you use the Opus model in a Copilot harness, like, isn't that still bad in terms of like, you might as well just like utilize Claude natively? My webcam is 10 years behind my audio.